So this is Miui 13 for Redmi K20 or Mi9T, same phone, okay? You see here, Miui 13. It's Android 12, okay? As you see, it's Android 12 with memory expansion. So the phone is very snappy. It works very fast, okay? You have here the Xiaomi account in here, in front. You have Portuguese, okay? And I'm gonna show you. You have here many languages, as you see, okay? You have many languages here. The only problem is you have some Russian characters inside the specs, like here, okay? You have some Russian specs here. I don't understand what that is, but for me it's like this and it's working fine, okay? You have the double tap, you have to enable these two things, these two buttons here, as you see. You have to enable this. In the rest, it's all translated. This is some things they put inside the ROM, inside the settings, but all it's working fine in Portuguese. In my case, you have to change it to English or to your language. It works fine. This is the new control center. You see here, you have the NFC here, okay? That doesn't appear in official ROM. So what it means to me, it's that you can do it, but Xiaomi developers doesn't do it for us, but you can do it. The Russian developers put it inside. You have here the widget to screen on time. I have 3 hours and 1 minute with 62% left. So it's working fine. The camera also working fine with Leica integrated. You have here the vibrant and the authentic. It works, okay? Works. I'm using this ROM for 3 days now with no bugs at all. No bugs, no reboots, nothing. The only bug here, it's if you change the watermark to Leica, if you change to Leica, it gives you a bug. It doesn't appear like that, appears in white, so don't do it. Just put the first one, watermark from the phone, okay? Or you can personalize it, okay? You can do it like that. But in the photos, in the videos, all is working fine. The video, you have the super stabilization, okay? Working fine also. You have also a 4K in 30 frames, okay? You have a double video, as you see, double video. You have portrait, Norton, you have Vlog, you have cloning, you have a movie effect, so you have many options here in the ROM. So developers from Xiaomi are really no comments, and developers from this port are fantastic, great. Just give a thumbs up to them work, okay? And I hope you enjoyed the ROM. The battery backup, it's good. All settings working fine. No bugs at all. This is a great ROM, okay? You may have a bit of lag on the first installation, so you have to install all the apps and just give it a go. LEDs working, a supercharging speed working also. So I hope you enjoyed the ROM, you enjoyed the video. I see you soon, okay?